In this first part of the demo, I will show how we can assess the behavior of a SCADE application. And we will take a flight control, a simplified flight control application for this. So this is the SCADE tool with a simplified flight control application with several operators dealing with alarm manager and the flight control. And we will take the operator under test and we will close the loop with a model of the plane, just to check the behavior of this. What we will do first is that we will use the Rapid Prototyper tool in order to exercise this application. So the control panel you can see here is a way to interact with the application very easily. This is what we can do with the control panel. And also we have here integrated SCADE display application that shows the display part of the aircraft. So first with the control panel we can set some target speed, target altitude, and activate the autopilot, and then we can see the behavior. We can see the behavior of the application to check if it behaves correctly or not. So we can increase the target speed, increase the target altitude, and see if some alarms are raised or not very easily. So this is what we can do with the SCADE test Rapid Prototyper, is building this kind of interface to interact with the application under test. And this is a very good way first to check that the behavior is okay. This is not yet testing, it's debugging, it's just checking the behavior. It's also a good way to check if we have well understood the requirements also. So, and we can very easily connect this kind of panel with the SCADE application. Okay, so we can activate the role, and okay, and you can see here we can see also, of course, the SCADE application running with the debugger. Okay, so this is a first way to perform some verification, is to check the behavior very intuitively, I would say. And now we will move to the testing aspect. So I will open a SCADE test project. Of course, the SCADE test project is implementing the same requirements, and you can see on the right the requirements. And here we have made two test cases. These are made using Excel. You can see in column all the inputs, and we can set values to the input, and we can set some expected outputs. For instance, we can set some expected throttle command, we can set some expected elevator commands, etc. So this is a way to define some test cases using SCADE test. So now first I will run the test case execution on host using SCADE test. So this is done with the graphical interface of SCADE test, and you can see here we have the result. The two test cases are passed, and we can see here the result. We can compare the actual values with the expected ones, applying of course the tolerance that we have asked, and we can check here that the behavior is okay, and yeah, okay. And in addition to this graphical representation, we have the conformance report. And this report is textual. It's very important because this one is qualified. I mean, our tools are qualified, and of course you can rely on the content of this document, and this is the document that you need to show to the authorities, just to show them that you have performed, you have done the conformance testing. And now we will start another activity, which is model coverage. In fact, it's model and code coverage. We will apply the MCDC criteria for this activity, and then we will rerun, of course, the same test cases, and we will measure model and code coverage. And you will see the result in a few seconds. So you can see here the results. So we can get here the result of the coverage. You can see that for each operator you have the coverage, which part is covered, is observed, which part is not covered, etc. And you can see the result on the model. So using the model, you can see immediately which part is not covered. For instance, this is not, the false value is not covered here. And again, in this transition, the false trigger is not covered. So very easily you can see which parts are fully covered. These ones are fully covered. This one is fully covered, and for some, this, for instance, one state is not activated, for instance. So this is concluding the SCADE suite and SCADE part of the demo.